Hi, thanks for joining me at my channel, Real Estate with Doc. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any future videos. I'm Dianne OPHELIA COLSON. I hold a real estate broker's license in Arizona and in California, and I'm an attorney. With this red-hot market in Gold Canyon, having the most accurate, up-to-date information is essential, whether you're thinking about selling your house or buying a house. You know, Zillow's great, but the problem is a lot of people don't realize that it takes a day or sometimes longer for new houses which have hit the market to come onto Zillow. Also, they don't tell you what houses are under contract. So you may spend a lot of time looking at houses and find out they're already in escrow. Our mission is to give you information about active listings, those that are under contract, and those that have closed, along with the sales price and a featured home here or there. So that way you'll have accurate, up-to-date information based on the multiple listing service. And our videos will come out every 24 hours during the week. So I hope you'll enjoy the information and come back often. I'll talk to you after the update. Welcome to today's Market Housing Update. It's October 3rd, 2020, and here's the real estate news for Gold Canyon during the last 24 hours. Now be sure to tune in to the end of the housing update because I'd love to tell you about my open house that I'm holding tomorrow. That's Sunday, October 4th from 10 to 1. But starting with our news, we have 2 new listings in the last 24 hours. The first one is on Canyon Estates Circle. It's located in the Gold Canyon Estates and listed by Weigert Realtors. It has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, and the square footage is 2,352. The second new listing is on Pinyon Village Drive at the Superstition Mountain Golf and Country Club. It's listed by Superlative Realty, has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and 3,646 square feet. We've had 2 price changes in addition to the 2 new listings in the last 24 hours. The first one is on Palatial Way at Superstition Foothills, listed by Just Selling Arizona. The list price was $450,000 and it's been reduced to $435,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. The second is on Wilderness Trail in Superstition Mountain Golf and Country Club, listed by Tom Popa and Associates, and the price now is $1,050,000. We've also had 2 houses close in the last 24 hours. The first one on Sandtrap Court closed for $270,000. It had 2,078 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and was listed by Jody Saylor. The second one was on Desert Dawn Drive in the Toscano Villas. It had 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, 2,283 square feet, and was listed by Kelly Kimmis. Now on to the exciting news about my open house tomorrow. Come to the end of Superstition Mountain Drive and you'll find Superstition Mountain Golf and Country Club. At the guard gate, tell them you're there for my open house and they'll give you a map and show you where to go. This house is at 7568 East Wilderness. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath and has 4,699 square feet. Even though the price was recently increased, it's still well below market value. It has a beautiful living room to the right and a great room to the left with lots of living area, a beautiful gourmet kitchen, and a lot more, particularly the huge, incredible views of Superstition Mountain. If you'd like to see the video of the home before coming to check it out, the link's in the description below. I hope to see you at the open house. And check in tomorrow for my new video on real estate during the last 24 hours in Gold Canyon. And if you're thinking about selling your house, or you're a buyer and you'd like to have a private tour of some of these homes, again, give me a call or a text or an email. I'd love to talk real estate with you and help you out. Now, if you already have an agent, this is not a solicitation. Thanks for joining me today. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you have a question or a comment, leave a message below. Also check out the description below. It has some great links some free e-guides, and some interesting information. But most importantly, thanks for taking your time to watch today. I hope I'll see you soon.